everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going for snow hiking. Hiking isn't just for the warmer months. It's a great way to experience the beauty of winter and get some exercise in the process. One of the best things about snow hiking is the peace and quietness of the winter wilderness. We did snow hiking at Horseshoe Resort at Barrie, which is about 1.5 hour drive from Toronto. Hiking in the snow might seem daunting, but it's an amazing experience that you don't want to miss. Before we get started, let's talk about some essential gear for winter hiking. You will need warm and waterproof clothing, good hiking boots with warm socks, gloves, and a hat. These will keep you warm, dry, and comfortable as you explore the winter landscape. Also carry a backpack with food and water. One of the best things about snow hiking is the opportunity to explore places that are only accessible in the winter. You can hike through areas that are usually crowded in the summer but are quiet and peaceful in the winter. Hiking in the snow can be challenging. Snow adds an extra level of resistance to the hike. You will get a great workout by using different muscles than you would on a regular hike. Feel a sense of accomplishment as you make your way through the snow and reach your destination. It's a great way to clear your mind and reduce stress. The fresh and crisp air can make you feel incredibly peace and relaxed. You can hike with friends, family, or even join a group of fellow hikers and enjoy the winter landscape together. Hope this video motivated you to go for a hike to get some exercise and enjoy the outdoors during the colder months. Thanks for joining on this winter snow hiking adventure. If you are looking for a fun and unique way to stay active and explore new trails, be sure to give snow hiking a try. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.